Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just in case this is your first time, I'm Joy by name. Thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to prepare beans and plantain porridge. This is one of my best easy to make beans recipe, and without waste of time, let's get right into it. So to save time, the full ingredients and measurements I'll be using will be at the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. So to begin, I'll be transferring the beans into the pot. All I did was just to rinse it. I'll be adding enough water to it. This will help to maintain a particular cooking temperature with the beans instead of having to add water at interval. I'll also be adding some onion slice to it. We all know that onion helps our beans to be able to cook faster. So just cover the pot and allow it to cook. So this is 40 minutes later and our beans is 70% cooked. So I'll just take it off from the heat and strain out the water. It's very important to pre-cook your beans just to get rid of some chemical preservatives that was used to protect the beans from weevils. Next, I'll transfer palm oil to my pot on medium heat. I won't be bleaching the oil. So our oil is hot enough, so I'll be transferring the onion slice to it, then saute to fragrance. I'll be frying the onion alongside with some ginger and garlic paste for flavor building and some scotch bonnet pepper for heat. So after about 3 minutes of frying, I'll be transferring the blended tomato to it, then stir everything together and allow it to fry. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes or thereabouts. Okay, after about 8 minutes, our tomato is perfectly fried, so I'll go ahead and season it up. I'll be using some grounded crayfish, some seasoning cube and some salt to taste. So I'll just mix everything together and allow it to fry for 2 extra minutes. Okay, I'll be adding little water to the pot right now, then cover and allow it to get to a rolling boil. Okay, after about 5 minutes, I'll be adding the pre-cooked beans into the pot, then mix everything together. I'll be adding warm water to the pot till it's slightly above the beans. You need to adjust your water level depending on how cooked your beans is. So I'll just cover the pot and allow it to cook. Okay, this is 25 minutes later and our beans is soft already. So I'll be adding the ripe plantains to the pot right now and some onion slice for extra flavor. Our porridge beans and plantain is gradually coming together. So I'll just cover the pot and allow the plantain to cook through till the water is reduced. So after additional 10 minutes, our porridge beans and plantain is pretty much ready. Guys, just look at how yummy it's looking. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Please, just before you go, kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye-bye.